Hey guys, this is Pamela and this is Knox, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. So I just want to jump on here and show you a few things that I am working on. And I got my little partner with me.
That's it.
Yep. Show them what. Is that Dino? Show them your blocks. Yeah, where's your red block? Yeah. So I wanted to jump on here because I went back to Michael's. My grandson Knox, he had a birthday party, and after we got through with the birthday party, I was like, I need to go by Michael's and grab another one of those skeins of yarn. So we did, and so I got this bag. I think it was only like 50 cents for this. Isn't it cute? So I was like, I've got to have that. So let me show you guys what I did buy. let's see, there is a pillow form that I'm already using that's not in here. It was a rectangle form, pillow form. But it looks like I got one t-shirt. They had these for $2.99. So I got my husband a large. They're really nice t-shirts too. Very nice shirt. And I think I picked, yeah, I got me 2 of these. I got me a blue one and a gray one. You can never go without gray. Black and gray are staples, right? So anyway, so I wanted to show that with you guys. And here's the pillow form, one of them. The other one is rectangle. So here's this one. I'm planning on making something, guys. And I am with the other one too. It's in the living room. So this is what I went for. I ended up with the other stuff, but that's not what I went for. This is what I went for. I needed 2 more of these. As you can see, there's the other 2 right there. And I need probably just 1 more, but I went ahead and got an extra one just in case, you know, you don't want to run low. And they were on sale for $5.99. But look at the colors of that. Isn't that just beautiful? It is so soft, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. But anyway, it's a 3-light. It's going to be a baby blanket. And so I'm getting my design together. So be sure and look forward to that. A nice summery, you know, baby blanket. Let's see. This is Ombre Hues polyester blend. It's 426 yards in this. A medium. 3-light. And what else does it say? Well, I was going to let you know how much polyester is in here, but I can't seem to find it. Anyway, it's loops and threads. So, but yeah, I love this little 50-cent bag. Look at that. Anyway, so I just want to jump on here and add that. Oh yeah, I do. I put out a stitch today. I want you guys to be sure and watch that. Look at this. Isn't it cool? This is the herringbone half double crochet stitch. I will leave the link below because you're going to want to make that. And I'm actually considering this being the baby blanket. So I'm going to have to think about it. And let's see, this was last week stitch, the spider stitch. So let me show you this one. There it is. Look at that. So I'm really glad you guys are enjoying all these stitches. I am learning a lot from them. It's really helping my design process. But I'm really loving this herringbone half double crochet. Oh my gosh, it's like I can't get enough of it. There's so much you can do with it. Scarves, blankets, dish towels. Dish towel, yes. I've got to make a dish towel in this for you guys. Okay, and a matching washcloth to go with it. Yes, definitely doing that. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to add this clip in too. The one that Knox and I did. He and I went to Michael's. We went shopping, as you saw earlier in the video. And this is just in addition to that. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.